A charlatan is a person practicing quackery or some similar confidence trick or deception in order to obtain money, fame, or other advantages via some form of premise or deception. The key word here is pretense. When creators post videos on YouTube, the pretense is that the creator actually does what he or she talks about. The creators that will be highlighted in this video are posting videos to obtain money and fame through the deception that they use the strategies discussed and that making money is easy. They are, by definition, charlatans. Today we are teaching new creators how to make money on YouTube without making any videos. Now is not the time to question how someone can make money on a video platform without making videos. We want to find the best source for this knowledge. We're starting off today's bid at $100. Can anyone teach us method to earn $100 a day? $100 going once. We got $100 to the man in front of the Lamborghini. Can anyone teach us method to earn $200 a day? $200 a day, $200 a day, $200 to teach creators how to make YouTube videos without making videos. $200 to Tommy Bryson. Do we have anyone that can teach us method to earn $300 a day? $300 a day, $300 a day, anyone? Do we have any takers? Going once, going twice. We have $300 to Caleb Maddox. Excuse me, that's Make Money Matt. How about $400? $400, anyone? $400, $400. We have a late entry to the party. It looks like $400 to Uriah Mitchell. Sold. And it looks like we have a winner. Whoever can promise a creator to earn $500 on making money on YouTube without creating videos will take this market share. One of my loyal subscribers sent me Big Mark's channel to check out, and man, is he an expert at so many ways to make money online. Think of how much money he must be pulling in every single day, since he must be applying all these make money online tricks that he's sharing with us. I'm shocked that he has time to make YouTube videos with all the strategies he talks about in his videos. And since he makes all of this money, there's no way he'd be involved in a pyramid scheme. I am sure he's applying the strategies he talks about in his video on how to earn $10 every 10 seconds free. That's $60 a minute. CEOs may not even earn that amount of money. Because this strategy pays so much, look at all of the other people doing the exact same thing. I wonder why they're making YouTube videos when they could be making $3,600 an hour with the simple tricks they know on making money on YouTube. Actually, you know what? I'm gonna stop with this YouTube thing. Screw all the effort I put into it. I need to check out these make money online strategies. It'll pay way more for way less effort. Who loves listening to music out there? And how about this? Have any of you guys been paid to listen to music? Check this out. Yes, you can make $17 per hour listening to music. Make money online fast. It looks like the secret is out and others know about this method. Wow, would you look at that? It's Kevin. Hey buddy, how you doing, Kevin? Looks like Kevin has fallen on hard times. You know, he has a lot of expenses with the mortgage in San Diego, the expensive cars, and all the advertising budgets he's running right now, and he probably needs the money. He's probably worth more than $15 an hour, but sometimes you have to take what you can get. Must be that the course selling business doesn't pay like it used to. Honestly, I feel bad for Kevin because it looks like other creators have found ways to make more money listening to music and push Kevin out of the market. Why listen to music for $15 an hour when C6S Now can tell you how to make $600 an hour? Big Mark only says you can make $17 an hour. This is a tough market. There must be some new secrets getting unveiled because poor Kevin has been pushed to the bottom. No one wants to listen to music for $15 an hour. They want $600 an hour. When you start analyzing this industry, you realize that everyone is copying everyone. I rag on Kevin because he's an easy target, but really everyone playing this game is essentially the same person and they're all just as greedy. Let's look up the title, 3 Ways to Make $100 a Day Guaranteed as a Broke Individual. I do not know a single person who speaks like this. $100 a day guaranteed as a broke individual. Like seriously, who uses the phrase as a broke individual? But it is irrelevant. The game they are playing is the make money online YouTube algorithm game. You essentially make videos appealing to the algorithm and watch your views skyrocket. You don't need any originality. All of you new creators out there who are struggling to get 50 views a video, what are you doing? Don't you know that you could be making so much money being a charlatan? Stop trying to be so ethical. Go make your money.
Over 400,000.
All of you out there are working so hard for an honest salary and you could be making money online from no work. Kevin is such an expert at this. If he's willing to listen to music for $15 an hour, I think it would be worth his time for you to pay him $20 an hour as a consulting fee so that he can show you all of his YouTube secrets. He makes money, you make money, win-win. The dude made 400 grand in 2019 from YouTube. He made 400 grand in most of his videos. He's speaking about stuff he doesn't even do. Think of how insane that is. We have high-end doctors here in America that spent decades studying and working 80 hours a week to become good enough to make 400 grand a year. and a YouTuber copies content on topics he does not even do himself and makes 400 grand a year. And here lies the problem. There's too much financial incentive to play this game. From June 2012 to September 2015, I made 50 grand total trying to enter into the sports industry, did internships, sales jobs, bottom of the corporation barrel. I had to move multiple times to cities where I knew no one. I was unemployed twice for extended periods of time, living in Houston and Oakland, some expensive cities in America. And I was doing it on my own dime trying to find my career. And Kevin and Big Mark just make these simple, stupid little videos, and they make that amount in just a couple months. Which path would you rather take? Here's the quick 10-step process for making 400 grand on YouTube. Step 1, lose all of your dignity. Step 2, you have to feel no shame for being a charlatan where your face is all over YouTube. Step 3, find 5 to 10 big channels in the make money online niche. Step 4, wait about 4 months after one of them releases a video. Step 6, copy all of the elements of the thumbnail where yours looks exactly like theirs. You do this so that it's indistinguishable for the viewer on who has more authority. Step 7, copy the title word for word. You do this because you want to end up in people's recommended section. If people are watching these kinds of videos, they will likely click yours because it looks like you have authority since you're essentially a copy of someone that they view as an authority. 8, right-click on the page of the video you want to copy, view page source, search for the third instance of keywords, and copy the keywords, also known as tags, into your video. You do this because the YouTube algorithm will align your video with theirs. The algorithm will essentially see your video as being the same as theirs. If they're getting millions of views, then you will show up in the recommended for these videos. Makes growth so much easier. Step 9, if you really want to capitalize on this opportunity, you throw in an affiliate link into the description, sending the viewer down a click funnel rabbit hole to an affiliate marketing info product. You can easily persuade people watching this video. You just need to use unethical marketing tech such as click this link if you want to learn the easy and proven method for making 100 grand a year. Step 10, buy sleep medication so you can sleep at night and not have to ponder over all of your charlatan behavior. The goal of this video is to simply bring awareness to you, the viewer, since you probably spend some time on YouTube. I want you to always be critically thinking about who you're watching and the content you're consuming. This even includes when you watch me, because I talk about how much money I make. I want you to always question me if you think something doesn't sound right. My goal is to empower viewers to finally begin questioning everything they're seeing in these industries that are full of charlatans and unethical behavior. Always remember to ask yourself, why is this person doing this? If these tactics were so easy and you could make so much money, why would all of these YouTubers be giving away the secrets for free? I mean, seriously, if you found a way to begin making $1,000 a day listening to music or taking a survey, you wouldn't tell a single person. The reason these videos exist is because the CPM is insanely high, potentially $50 per 1,000 monetized views. Think about it like this. If you can make these videos once or twice a week and they're able to get 10,000 views a video, which isn't that much by the way, you can make like $300 a video twice a week, and that's if you get moderate success. Big Mark is now reaching 750,000 subscribers. The guy probably makes like 10 grand a month from YouTube because how many views he gets, but I still haven't figured out why he gets involved with pyramid schemes. And if you're one of the lucky ones who rides the algorithm to huge view numbers, then you could begin making multiple hundreds of thousands of dollars a year. Maybe it's these charlatans that have all of the secrets. I hope I earned your like for this video, and thank you so much for watching.